To begin, right-click on your Start button and select Settings from the menu that appears. In the Settings window, navigate to the System tab on the left-hand side list. Scroll down through the options until you find and select Optional Features. On the Optional Features screen, click on View Features. Now in the search bar provided, type the word fax. If you see fax listed here, it means the feature is already installed. Typically, it is installed by default. However, for the purpose of demonstrating how to install it, let us assume it has been removed. We will now proceed with the installation steps. First, close any open windows related to optional features. Then, click on View Features again. This time, select See Available Features instead. In the search bar that appears, search for the word fax. Press the Enter key. You should see the Fax and Scan option. Check the box next to it to select it. Finally, click on the Add button. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.